Hello guys, in this video I will show you 3 ways to check your PC specification and find out about your PC, what is inside. First way is to insert here in search box system information. You will get something like this. Click on that and this will open and you will find out some info about your PC. This is my processor, this is my motherboard. Here you also have some components, you can check all that here. The second way is to go here again in search box and insert this PC. You will get again something like this. Click on the properties and here you will get about info. You will get about your processor and about your RAM. And third and final way to check your PC info and specifications and to get some better info, you can press on your keyboard Control key, Alt and Delete, and you will open the task manager. Here you will get performance info about your PC. This is for the CPU and this is for the memory, for the disk and all of that. So that's that. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.